So before I begin, let me state, my name is not very important, but I'm a graduate from Harvard Law School and I hold that degree dearly. Because you see, I don't just understand the law, I understand the surroundings of the law. And you see, the law is just a parchment, but the narrative is a blockbuster that will sell you tickets. And now this narrative, there is a man called Zohran Mamdani. He's about to fall in a narrative disaster. Because of why? He picks a battle with the power universe producer, 50 Cent. And learning what has just happened to Puff Daddy P. Diddy, we can see that Zohran Mamdani, when he won the election, this is what 50 Cent posted. R.I.P. New York City. He went ahead to say, tax the rich or die trying. Now, you know, the problem with this thing, me as a graduate of law, what I understand from there, the first mistake is using his slogan. The second one is using the slogan against him. And now this is what we call the disaster of narrative that is about to fall in. So me as an alien like you, Mr. Zohran Mamdani, I want you to hire my legal services as a graduate of law. I will look those 50 Cent lawyers in the eye and tell them categorically, you cannot produce a documentary about this man. Because, you know, the first episode that I plan to write is you meeting Donald Trump. Now, that is the first mistake. You are a Democrat. You are an alien like me. You fight for the poor. You know the rights of those people, special. And then you go ahead to meet Donald Trump. And the problem is not just meeting him. He was very, you know, touching you, you know, very close. Now, we will learn from what happened in the Epstein files. Even those tax bills you will be signing to tax the rich, they can be used against you. Cameras will be around. They will be used to make that documentary. And then the crazy part is that your life as a politician is in the limelight. And the other thing, me as a graduate of law, that I understand is that politics is a very dirty game. In politics, it's very dirty. It's not a game for the, you know, kind-hearted people. So I want to tell you that hire me as your legal service provider because I have a very good reputation. You know, I just spoke recently to Donald Trump. You want to hire me on the matter of the Epstein. You see, they are not out yet because of what I articulate in court. And when I look the judge in the eye, they will say, 50 Cent, don't produce that documentary. But in the meantime, before that documentary is even produced, I want you to apologize. Stop taxing the rich. Because, you know, 50 Cent ran from Houston, Texas many years ago. He came to New York City and became the billionaire he is. Now, you know, trying to tax him is not available. Now, don't tax the rich. Don't use the slogan against him. So use, don't tax the rich or die trying not to tax them. Thank you very much. Now you can hire my legal services on my website that